Discover the hottest kitchen design trends of 2024, from vibrant colors to bold patterns and textures, and transform your kitchen into a stylish sanctuary. This video is your guide to culinary luxury. Today, we're diving into the top kitchen design trends for 2024 that will transform your space into a stylish and functional haven. From open-concept kitchens to ceiling-high tiles and greenery integration, we'll explore the hottest ideas to elevate your kitchen game this year. In 2024, kitchens are more than just cooking spaces, they're the heart of the home, where style meets functionality. So, if you're ready to give your kitchen a fresh new look and stay ahead of the trends, keep watching as we uncover the latest and greatest ideas that designers and homeowners are loving right now. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or someone looking for inspiration for your kitchen remodel, these trends are sure to spark your creativity and help you create a space that reflects your personal style while staying on trend. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's explore the exciting world of kitchen design in 2024. Open-concept kitchens are all about breaking down barriers and creating a seamless flow between your kitchen and the rest of your living space. This trend is perfect for modern lifestyles, as it encourages interaction and connectivity among family members and guests. By removing walls and partitions, open-concept kitchens create a sense of spaciousness and airiness. They also allow for more natural light to flood into the space, making it feel bright and welcoming. Additionally, this design choice makes it easier to entertain guests while preparing meals, as everyone can be part of the conversation without feeling isolated in a separate room. So, if you're looking to create a more inclusive and sociable atmosphere in your home, consider embracing the open-concept kitchen trend. It's a timeless and versatile design approach that can enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. Ceiling-high kitchen tiles are a bold and impactful trend that's gaining popularity in 2024. This design choice involves extending tile surfaces from the countertops all the way up to the ceiling, creating a visually striking and cohesive look. By using tiles up to the ceiling, you can add texture, color, and personality to your kitchen walls. This trend is particularly effective in making a statement and adding a touch of luxury to the space. Whether you opt for vibrant patterns, subtle textures, or classic subway tiles, the possibilities are endless when it comes to ceiling-high kitchen tiles. Moreover, this design approach is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical. It creates a durable and easy-to-clean surface, especially in areas prone to splashes and spills like behind the stove or sink. So, if you're looking to add a wow factor to your kitchen and showcase your personal style, consider embracing the ceiling-high kitchen tiles trend. It's a bold yet functional choice that can elevate the overall look and feel of your culinary space. Greenery integration is a refreshing trend in kitchen design for 2024. It involves incorporating natural elements like plants, herbs, and even mini greenhouses into the kitchen space, creating a harmonious blend of nature and modernity. One of the key benefits of greenery integration is the added touch of freshness and vitality it brings to your kitchen. Plants not only purify the air but also add color, texture, and a sense of tranquility to the environment. From hanging plants to potted herbs on the windowsill, there are numerous ways to integrate greenery into your kitchen decor. Additionally, greenery integration can also serve functional purposes. For example, having herbs readily available in your kitchen can inspire culinary creativity and make cooking more convenient. Mini greenhouses or plant walls can be both decorative and practical, providing a dedicated space for growing herbs or even small vegetables. So, whether you're a plant enthusiast or simply looking to enhance the ambience of your kitchen, greenery integration is a trend worth exploring in 2024. It's a natural and eco-friendly way to add life and character to your culinary space. In 2024, kitchen lighting is all about creating layers and a subtle yet impactful ambience. This trend emphasizes the strategic placement of different light sources to enhance functionality and aesthetics in the kitchen. Layered lighting typically includes three main types: ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, task lighting focuses on specific work areas like the countertop or sink, and accent lighting highlights architectural features or decor elements. By incorporating these layers of lighting, you can achieve a well-lit and versatile kitchen space. For example, pendant lights over the island can serve as both task lighting and a stylish focal point, while under-cabinet lighting can illuminate countertops for food preparation. Moreover, understated lighting fixtures with sleek designs are preferred in 2024. These fixtures blend seamlessly into the overall kitchen decor without overpowering the space, allowing other design elements to shine. Overall, layered and understated lighting adds depth, functionality, and ambience to your kitchen, making it a welcoming and functional space for cooking, dining, and socializing. Twenty 2024 brings a shift towards warm and rich colors in kitchen design. This trend embraces earthy tones, deep hues, and cozy shades that create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere in your culinary space. One of the key advantages of using warm and rich colors in your kitchen is the ability to evoke a sense of comfort and homeliness. Colors like warm browns, deep greens, terracotta, and muted blues add depth and character to the space, making it feel cozy and lived in. Additionally, these colors can be used strategically to create visual interest and contrast. For example, pairing rich wood cabinets with a neutral countertop or adding a pop of color with a vibrant backsplash can create a dynamic and balanced look. Moreover, warm and rich colors complement a variety of design styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern chic, allowing you to personalize your kitchen to suit your taste and preferences. So, if you're looking to infuse warmth and personality into your kitchen, consider incorporating warm and rich colors into your design palette. It's a timeless trend that adds charm and character to any culinary space. In 2024, high-drama marble and stone elements are making a statement in kitchen design. This trend embraces the use of luxurious and bold materials to create a sophisticated and elegant culinary space. Marble and stone offer a timeless appeal and add a touch of grandeur to your kitchen. Whether used for countertops, backsplashes, or even flooring, these materials elevate the overall aesthetic and create a sense of luxury. One of the advantages of using marble and stone in your kitchen is their versatility. They come in a variety of colors, patterns, and finishes, allowing you to customize the look to suit your style. From classic white marble to dramatic veined stone, the options are endless. Moreover, marble and stone are durable and easy to maintain, making them practical choices for high-traffic areas like the kitchen. With proper care, they can withstand daily use and continue to look stunning for years to come. So, if you're looking to add a touch of sophistication and drama to your kitchen, consider incorporating high-drama marble and stone elements. They're sure to leave a lasting impression and create a luxurious ambience in your culinary space. In 2024 brings a focus on statement steel and wood details in kitchen design. This trend combines the sleekness of steel with the warmth of wood to create a modern yet inviting culinary space. Steel elements, such as appliances, fixtures, and hardware, add a contemporary and industrial flair to the kitchen. They offer durability, easy maintenance, and a high-end look that elevates the overall aesthetic. On the other hand, wood details bring a sense of warmth, texture, and natural beauty to the space. Whether it's wooden cabinets, shelves, or accents, wood adds depth and character, creating a welcoming ambience. One of the strengths of this trend is its versatility. Steel and wood can be paired in various ways to achieve different styles, from minimalist and sleek to rustic and cozy. Mixing different finishes, such as matte steel with rich wood tones, adds visual interest and creates a dynamic look. Moreover, statement steel and wood details complement a wide range of color palettes and design themes, making them a versatile choice for any kitchen renovation or update. So, if you're looking to create a modern yet inviting kitchen space, consider incorporating statement steel and wood details. They add personality, style, and functionality to your culinary haven. In the world of kitchen design, bold patterns and textures are making a big statement in 2024. These elements are all about adding personality, depth, and visual interest to your culinary space, making it a true reflection of your style and creativity. One of the key trends is the use of statement backsplashes that grab attention and serve as focal points in the kitchen. Think bold patterns like geometric tiles, colorful glass mosaics, or even textured wallpapers that bring a wow factor to your backsplash area. Textured surfaces are another trend to watch out for. Imagine countertops with tactile finishes like textured stone or wood grains that not only look stunning but also add depth and dimension to your kitchen's aesthetic. Don't shy away from graphic prints and wallpaper in the kitchen. These elements can inject personality and creativity into the space, whether you opt for geometric patterns, floral motifs, or abstract designs that reflect your unique style. The art of mixing patterns is a skill that can elevate your kitchen design. Experiment with combining bold patterns with neutral elements to create a balanced and visually engaging look that doesn't overpower the space. Infuse energy and playfulness into your kitchen with colorful accents. Consider adding vibrant textiles like rugs or curtains, decorative accessories in bold hues, or even painting cabinets in a standout color to make a statement. Even in minimalist kitchens, bold patterns and textures can shine. Use them strategically to create a striking contrast against sleek and simple surfaces, adding warmth and character to the overall design. If you're not ready for a permanent change, explore DIY projects or temporary solutions like removable wallpaper or decals. These options allow for flexibility and easy updates, letting you experiment with bold patterns and textures without long-term commitment. Bold patterns and textures are all about expressing your creativity and infusing your kitchen with personality. Whether you go for eye-catching backsplashes, textured surfaces, or colorful accents, don't be afraid to make a statement and let your kitchen reflect your unique style. As we wrap up our exploration of the top kitchen design trends for 2024, it's clear that this year is all about creativity, personality, and making a statement in your culinary space. From open-concept kitchens to ceiling-height tiles, greenery integration, layered lighting, warm colors, high-drama marble, statement steel, and wood details, to embracing bold patterns and textures, the options are vast and exciting for transforming your kitchen into a stylish and functional haven. The bold patterns and textures trend, in particular, offers a fantastic opportunity to infuse your kitchen with personality and visual interest. Whether you're drawn to statement backsplashes, textured surfaces, graphic prints, or colorful accents, these elements can elevate your kitchen's aesthetic and make it truly unique. Remember, kitchen design is not just about following trends, but also about expressing your creativity and creating a space that reflects your lifestyle and preferences. So, don't be afraid to experiment, mix and match, and let your imagination run wild when designing or updating your kitchen. We hope this video has inspired you with ideas and insights into the exciting world of kitchen design in 2024. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy designing and cooking in your beautiful kitchen.